I know.
Welcome back.
Noia.
We are so sorry about that little disruption that's happened there. I'm going to blame Kako Kamalea. I think he doesn't know what the on button is.
I know.
No, we
I'll
just
take
have
that.
we've just had a bit of a movement. A wā ele kako. With here in our studio, we do have a lot of behind the scene work. So I've accidentally tripped over that wire. So you know what? Safety first. We have to make sure that our wires are connected back so that we can progress with the program for your Friday.
Absolutely. From now on, you might be seeing some movements behind us as well still.
Yes.
You know, that movement was supposed to be notifying before we got cut off.
Yeah.
Yeah, but anyways, whamarunua joy mo jo tere la tau na mai mo mai.
Yeah.
Ya fa fa tau sisila mai ai ini si ole a fa pena na feo ai tu. No le fa solo ta tu pu ngata. Mo le ta tu fa pitoa ole Mother's Day. Ya ona fo angare na fo iwa wa ka mo ya ko aska mai ka mai kikile lu ko in ka ofi mai ala kula ver ka ko wa ya uyo le. Ya o me faina fai. Ya te lo fo ina o mo se vanoa yourself a cup of tea.
Yes, always, or just do my styles, e koe ku'ule a cup of tea in the microwave and hit 30 seconds.
Absolutely.
But it is, this weekend we are launching Rotuman Language Week, and I'm so excited for the team, Blue Wave, who have played a massive part for their launch this coming Sunday. So next week, we're going to be wearing
these are the traditional o ula nei, o ula ale tunu o Rotuma.
Yes.
You know, o ula nei ale tunu. Now, a little bit about Rotuma. Rotuma, e se tasi o atu motu o Pacifica.
Yes, and it's a very, very small island, and they are associated to Fiji, so it's not. You know,
How much is their populations?
You know what? This is interesting. Olako population, it's very small. 1,594 people on the island. That's very, very, very small.
Wow.
That's normally the numbers that we get at Malta Samoa.
Really?
Yes.
Ole fai tau le na fa tu sai ai ele temi afe lima se lau iwa fa.
That's a very, very small island.
Fua iai pe ole talafata yawa pia. You know, down area in Samoa. For ile le vai moso ya mafunga lei tu lo na fio ang le tau fatu tu sa tu le tau fai tau fa yu tangat.
Yeah.
O ki fai akula to tele ani New Zealand.
But in New Zealand, this is where it's New Zealand, there's about 5,000 in New Zealand. I'm pretty sure that a lot.
Whoa. Okay. Any sort of numbers? My isia to Australia, America.
Australia, elise nota Australia, but America. This is where it gets interesting because
probably only 3.
No, 10,000 in America.
Ooh.
10,000, and that's double the numbers here in New Zealand. But New Zealand is capital for Pacific.
10,000 in US.
Alone. Yes, 10,000.
5,000 in New Zealand.
5,000 in New Zealand.
1,000 in Rotuma.
1,594 to be exact. Your message may say for up there 1%.
Okay, but the funny thing, I do have here with me some of the translations of Rotuman language.
Yes.
But in New Zealand, le multicultural.
Yes.
So lono winga ile nga o kako Samoa li kau la mo ngi me. Lono winga it's good to be familiarized.
Yes.
Engage ourselves. Yeah, male multicultural.
Yeah.
So Rotuma, what do you want me to go through? Numbers.
I think
Because we do have people, numbers, and months.
I think numbers is to let's go numbers because we've been Samoans have been talking a lot about numbers lately, so we'll go numbers.
Okay, you count the English and then I'll do the Rotuma.
1.
Ta.
2.
Rua. Wait, I have to roll my tongue. Rua.
3.
Holu.
4.
Wait. Really be careful with saying this. Okay. Haki.
We'll move along. And 5. We'll do the first 5. 5.
Lima.
That's echo.
Yes. Lima. Same spelling. Lima. La imo a.
We might as well keep going.
Yeah.
6.
Ono. Now we've got ono as well. Ono.
And 7.
Hifu.
And 8.
Valu. Oh, we've got 8 as well. Valu.
Similar. And 9.
Siva.
Oh, it's my favorite number. 9.
So Siva in Rotuma is 9 and Siva in Samoa is dance. Okay.
And 10.
Okay, I have to be really careful. Okay, Sak Hulu. Sahulu.
There you have it. That was our attempt for the launch this coming weekend for Rotuman Language Week. We did, and if you are watching, we do apologize if we've announced that incorrectly. But I know that we have a team that will be coming through next week to help us, with the language next week and the launch.
Ai ole fo te loa ole tātou whale whasala lau fo I ma le Zunga Mountain ma le tātou crew le la tau te poina le whaalau I loa o le vaiasore ngana Rotuma Language Week. Manaya?
Yep. Are we, I thought, should we touch a little bit on politics? But I'm thinking all the time.
Do I look like a politician?
No. But I thought, you know what? Why don't we go a little bit into Mother's Day?
Absolutely.
I think it's
okay. Shall we do that? What do you call Caesar? Whether we do politics or Mother's Day.
Okay.
Right? Okay. What do we go first? Politics or Mother's Day? Okay. When.
If you win.
Yeah.
You get to pick. If I win. I pick.
Okay.
Please,
Ready?
I wanna win.
Ready?
1, 2,
3. Geng kamo. Wait, that's a practice.
No,
that's a practice.
That's
a
won.
practice.
So I do not want to talk about politics because you know what?
All right.
I think what's important is our mothers.
Is there a saying ladies first? Okay, ladies first.
So let's talk a little bit. As mentioned earlier on, we will have a little bit of movement behind us because we are still, we have a photo shoot that's going to be happening shortly. But this is how we run our studio because we can't stop anything. We're on the go all the time here. Blue Team Production. So here's a photo. Yeah, if you haven't already. Oh.
Wow, really?
Fella's wife looks stunning. Wow.
Fella, man, you should be proud of yourself. Mate, you should be proud of yourself,
This woman here, I think she wants the latest Samsung.
It's okay, Burger King will do.
And look at Mum there.
Wow.
There is still time to get your Mother's
Is this your
Day.
mum?
No. This is
Auntie.
Okay. Yep. There is still time. There is still time to get your book in.
Oh.
There we go.
Wow. I didn't even recognize my own cousin. See, this is the proof of what I was trying to tell you. Yeah. I didn't even recognize you.
Yes, she's stunning.
That's stupid.
She's sitting there, so just
see. Wow. And here's me sitting here trying to guess who she was because of she's so astonishing beauty. Mothers.
Oh, this.
Now, next one. Wow, look at that. And all the tuinga and stuff like that. Amazing. Now, oh, spoil your mom, spoil your mom, spoil your mother.
And you know, it is Mother's Day. It's important, and you know, females and also our dads, but they play such an important role in our homes.
Oh no! Now put me, you know, it puts a question into my mind now when you mention that. O lau whawhasili. Nā re whaile la Talanoa.
Yeah.
O ani tiu te whaaletina. O ani tiu te whaaletina e te iloa oe as a mother, you are so not looking forward to it every day. You know, obviously there are, you know, responsibilities and duties and whatsoever. But tell me some of these responsibilities that you wake up in the morning and you are so not ready to do it, but you have to do it.
All of the above, really. All of the above. It is, as a working mum, trying to navigate my way, you know, as you know, because being a modern mum as well, it's hard. So I still rely on my mum, my very own mum, who is of age 65. I lay go see a mum, my children. So mum, happy Mother's Day.
Absolutely.
You know, your time. My time. You know, you know, in other cultures, when you turn 18, that's it. But in Samoa and in our Pacifica, and it doesn't matter where you come from. Some of the mums, even past 18,
you're always,
you're still going to.
Absolutely. So talking, going back to moms still looking after children and and all that. Isn't that a beauty thing with our Samoa and our culture?
Yeah.
You know, have Nana, all this. Now, some people may take it in the wrong way. Hapea. O mga kausi o tau, e walanga le irektina.
That's my dad that says that. Sorry,
o mga
just kidding.
kausi o kou, kausi ako makou whāngau, kausi ma whāngau o kou whāngau. Ia, ai jau te loa, o tala lava fo i e sai wai, e nāna i tawha pē, nāna tina. Ona o tau ne o tina fau o tau le tutu ai.
You know, and it is, I hear it a lot, mainly actually not from my mum. You know, I hear it in the background. You know, that I'm not, you know, I don't want to cause trouble, but, you know, sometimes the background, my surroundings, I feel lava my dad. Anyways, but my mum, a shout out to my mum. Mum goes with her. Mum, my mother-in-law, Laura, it does take a village. Sala, she's another mum, and to Wita and Siolo as well. So many mums come together to look after my kids, even the full year.
Absolutely. So, and you know what? It's a few for it now for tau avantule ma fana. There's warmness in lau whanau.
Yeah.
It's not the same as when your mother offered the children. Well, I guess because we don't have much to go on your show. Maybe it's a chance for us to give a shout out to our mothers and all the mothers of the world.
Would you like to say a shout out to?
I will go first. As is there a saying guys first or guys second?
Ladies first. Go on.
All right. Mole tule whamanuia o le sautina. Whamanuia tule sautina I siutina. Le whafonga mai mangele. Ya mele. Happy Mother's Day. I know it's coming Sunday. Yeah, I'm pretty much. My wife's around there to buy you something. But wishing you the best of Mother's Day to come, as well as to all the mothers out there, my aunties, and all my sisters. Manuia tuela sautina na yo to whawhine mantua fo ilo whafonga mai Samoa. Never to see ya mauto o malava li whala. Ya, oka, ya lang wa tele I to whawhine. Ya la ala ngoi ngora makua ngā au resi au ka mai ki ngā laiki. Ya, la fokupe mo ki ngā makua. Ia, ai, le ngata i lea, sili fo ona whamanuia, tula sautina, ia isia utina whaneanganga. Ia, le mātou tina o ngā luenga, ia misa fo le whalitua se mātou whawhengainga, whalitua, ia Pastor Melody, Waita Fata, ia whamanuia tula sautina. Ia, tonight, e o i mātou utama. Ola, mai e o i mātou. E ave ia mātou tina.
E ka whau.
Leila na ave whangatu e me whale le ka whau. Yeah, and all the mothers of our ministry, VPM, happy Mother's Days. Na ia mātou elderly mothers, na ia mātou tina matua. Whamanuia tula sau tina ia te auto malava. And all the mothers of the world, wherever you are, happy Mother's Day to you.
You know, and again, massive happy Mother's Day to the mothers here at the Pacific Business Hub. And a special mention to Ala as well, because, you know, she does do a lot in the background, you know, to direct and help us as well. So there's times we kind of like, you know, forget all of the mums who, you know, work tirelessly behind the scenes, so that we over here can just come in ka whao, well for me anyways, and also to a special shout out to my grandmother there in Samoa, Kika Semu, which is my grandmother in, you know, the Inmoa, but she's still well, and to all of our mothers around the world, thank you for everything that you guys have, or you have done for us. And I just wanted to share a little Bible verse for our mothers.
Okay,
and
hold on. I want to mention, I want to include my Auntie Sita to your happy Mother's Day. This is for you, Auntie Sita. Lai whafonga mai sa tupaitea, ngati for the seto fine whalitua alipikopo ya leti. Ia ma le totele, ma seto fine ali ma ne tusala. Okay, you go.
So Proverbs 31:25, and I'm just going to read part of it. Strength and dignity are her clothing, and she laughs at time to come. She opens her mouth with wisdom, and the teaching of her kindness is on her tongue. She looks well to the ways of her household, and does not eat the bread of idleness. That was just a little memory verse for our mothers, you know. It's not easy, but, you know.
Happy Mother's Day. Yeah. Strength and dignity are her clothing. Ole ma losi, male anto adoa o la eia. Eoi. Ele man, ia iole maua. And she laughs at times to come. My ata for ya so asau aso amuli. Yeah, manuia la sautina. Ya te oto. O mala manguia foi la sautina to you.
Tina fo ya.
As well as Laura. Yeah. Oh, and si tafalitua lesa talalelei. Talalelei. Happy Mother's Day. It was a blessing and a privilege to chat with you
and
here.
Also to all of our dads who also have to play the motherly role. You know, happy Mother's Day to you too.
Thank you. But, finally.
There are so many things that we can talk about our mums, but we don't have time to. We just know that God is love. God is, you know, and our mums as well. That's so special.
It's okay. You're gonna make me cry now. You're just about to make me teary now. And Mum, I'll see you sometimes this weekend.
We love you. God bless everyone.
She's a hard-working lady. Got me feeling all crazy. She's mine. She's mine. She's a hard-working lady. Nothing short of amazing. She's mine. She's mine. I wake up in the morning, greeted with a gentle touch, as she's kissing up on me with a whole heap of love. I can't believe the way she made me feel. I'm out from feeling down. I can't only makes a